Still dealing with too small garage doors? It might be time for an upgrade. Here in Houston, many homes were built with too small garage doors. But more and more homeowners are switching to one wide garage door. And for good reason. First, you get more space and easier access. With one large garage door, parking becomes much simpler. You don't have to line up perfectly with a narrow opening anymore. Second, it dramatically improves the look of your home. A single modern garage door instantly gives your house a cleaner, more updated appearance and boosts curb appeal. Third, it can actually increase your home's value. A modern garage door upgrade is one of the best improvements homeowners can make. So instead of two small doors, imagine one smooth, wide opening that makes your garage easier to use every day. If you are in Houston or the surrounding area, call Easy Garage Door Repair today. We'll make it simple.